St. Thomas police probing sudden death of colleague. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Thomas police are probing the sudden death of a constable, Jason Beckford, who collapsed while walking in the parish on Tuesday night. Beckford was attached to the St. Thomas Police Division. Reports are that at around 8 p.m., Beckford was walking along Hampton Court Main Road in Golden Grove in the parish when he suddenly collapsed. He was assisted to the Princess Margaret Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The St. Thomas Police has since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.